Good evening, friends. This is the third day of my walk. Every day for last 2 days I've been walking 5 kilometers and changing the venue. I walked from my house to Bandstand to Mount Mary. That was day before yesterday. Yesterday I walked from my house to Chimbai and then to Carter Road, and I took a bus from Carter Road to Bandra Station, and from Bandra Station I took another bus to Bandra Hill Road and then walked home. It takes me 2 hours. I'm not fasting. I'm not allowed to fast. I'm insulin dependent and I have to take heart medicines. My heart medicines are very important, and my cardiologist is Dr. Nitin Gokhale, eminent cardiologist from Leelavati. They told me not to fast because I have to take medicine. First of all, I have to take insulin thrice a day. I'm taking our insulin cartridge, and my heart medicines are twice, morning and evening. Today I'm walking on Linking Road. I shall walk as much as I can. I bought some sweets in case my sugar drops. But of late my sugar has been giving me a lot of problems. My tennis had stopped. My walking has stopped. And then my wife told me to start walking. I got a press card. I got a press card too, in case the cops stop me or something. So this is it. Thank you, Muqaddar Hussain and Akir Khan, for joining up. I wish you all the best. Please be safe. It's a deadly virus, and the calamities that are happening in my state, really Om Namo Narayan. So Aghori. This is आपका नाम क्या?
Nagesh.
This is Nagesh Bhai joining me, and I've been seeing him for many years now. I used to work at Bada Sahib Bandra, and today I'm walking up to the end of Linking Road. Om Namo Narayan. In Mumbai, Hindus and Muslims live in peace. We have no problems at all. Unlike other states, I give the maximum respect to my Hindu friends, and most of my gurus have been Hindus, and never have I met any guru that has condemned me for being a Muslim. Instead, they couldn't believe I'm a Muslim. And I would tell them, being a Muslim is not about religion. Mind you, remember these words. Being a Muslim is not about religion. It is about your upbringing and your parentage. My parents were very good. My mother, my father, they respected Hindus. We lived with Jews, we lived with Buddhists, we lived with Christians, we lived with Parsis. We had absolutely no problem. No problem till date. So it depends how you. I have no issue with Sunnis or anybody as such. I keep away from Tabligis, Salafis, Wahhabis, because my ideology is very different from theirs. So I try not to get involved in religious politics. There is politics in religion also. That's why, being a Shia, I'm been very comfortable with the Sufism, and I met some great Sufi living saints. Sayyid Masoom Ali Baba, who's guided me. He made me a Malag in 2011. And then in 2016, he ordained me as a Khalifa. And I told him I don't deserve it. But he says, no, because of you and your videos, a lot of foreigners have become Malang, have joined the Madariya Silsila. According to him, not according to me, he says 450 foreigners became part of his Silsila. And I tell him it's not because of me or my videos, it's because of Malangs of the Madariya Silsila treating everybody as equal, Yali Madad, and they are followers of Alibeth. So, Baba, Rafiq Ali Baba, Sayyid Rafiq Ali Baba is my Murshid. The mass is giving me a lot of problem. So this is it. Hello, Coach Ranjan Baribam. I don't think I will ever come to Manipur now that Gambhir Singh is gone. There was some hope. Amitabh Singh was going to call me at Soy police station, but it never worked out. And before I could even think of coming to Manipur, Gambhir Singh committed suicide. So I don't know how. And now, with my surgery, heart surgery, bypass surgery, I don't think I can leave Mumbai. I stopped shooting. My cameras are lying idle. But I am very fond of Northeast. I am lucky that through a friend, Laurent Salles, very big photographer from France, Bordeaux, I discovered Khamakya in 2016. I am the only Muslim documenting the Aghoris at Khamakya. And Guru Manikandan from Trichy has been very kind to me. And his people call me Firoz Aghori. I don't mind it. The Naga Sadhus, my Guru has died in 2017. He was from Juna Akhada, Vijayagiri Maharaj. And his disciples used to call me Firoz Giri. Because of him, I was able to document Hindu-Muslim amity and to show Hinduism through the eyes of a Muslim photographer, without any bias, without any hate. And I tell you, I keep on repeating this, that the most important thing as a photographer, posting your thoughts and stories on internet, on social media, you have to have something called moderation. Moderation means not to hurt other people, not to hurt their sensibilities, not to hurt their community, not to hurt their gender, ethnicity. And that is what I have mastered over the years. And Zirix is a friend of mine from Buzznet. These are all mentors, because I was very, very new. I didn't know how to handle I was going overboard even. Zirix, Friar Tuck, Yorick, Ben Bell, Funksina, Betty, these are all names from Buzznet. I've lost track. Now only Zirix and a few of them. Hi Mandar, how are you? And Rupam, my best friend from Guwahati. He's the only guy who's wearing a mask. Much before the pandemic came in, he doesn't show his face to people. I'm the only guy who has seen his face. Even I believe, I heard, I don't know. Even girls don't see his face. They just like him with his mask. So I'm at Linking Road. This is Linking Road. This is Linking Road. This is to those who don't know about Mumbai Bandra. बस चल रहा हूँ यार. चलो कैसे आप?
हाँ रजत,
बस
ठीक है ना?
हाँ. He considers me a Sufi monk. He kissed my hand. Linking Road is the most crowded area. Normal time. It's a commercial hub. There is a lot of activity around here. But now it's all silent. There's nobody around. So I'm not used to this live videos, but I'm trying. Because as I don't interconnect with people on their message, I deleted all messages on Instagram. So I'm talking about my thoughts, my feelings. Now see all these shops. This is the most crowded area of Linking Road, one of the most crowded areas. Just see this. All the shops over here are closed. All of them. All of them. These are mostly Muslim shops selling shoes, ready-made garments. Opposite is Candle shoe shops. And the most famous place on Bandra Linking Road is this place. This place, it is called Jai Jawan. He sells, you know, Punjabi fish fries, tandoori chicken and more. So he's an amazing, but I think he's shifted to 2 shops ahead, he says. Thank you, Rohit. Thank you, Amar Khalid. Linking Road is absolutely, this is the garden. It is known as Patwardhan Park. And there's not a single soul. I'll just show it to you. This is Patwardhan Park. You can see inside. My granddaughter used to come and play over here. Now it is completely. Thank you, Yasser. So this is. I'm trying to show you all the effect of the lockdown on the roads of Mumbai. There are people walking. I mean, there is this guy sleeping over there. I don't know if you can see him. I can't. Unless I switch it off. But this guy is in a very bad shape. He's a guy lying on the floor. Thank you, Yasser. Miss your father, your brothers and your family. I don't know if I'll ever be able to come to do Muharram in Hyderabad. I taken both the shots. After my bypass, I was at great risk. But I managed to get away. I told you guys my son had, oh, I'm fine. My work is totally finished. There is absolutely no work at all. Last 1.5 or last 18 months or 15 months, I got 2 assignments. One was from Ashok Tyagi for Shakti Kapoor Saab, and one was for Prahlad Nehlani's film starring Mithun. I did the costumes of Shakti Kapoor Saab, but there is no work at all. Now I have reached near KFC. Jairam Ji ki. This is Linking Road. I'm in Linking Road, Bandra. Beyond this, I will come towards Khar. I'm just walking. When I get tired, I'll take a bus. This is another most crowded street of Bandra. It's called 33rd Road. This is the most crowded place in Bandra on a normal day. But today you just see. This is the state of this road. All shopping malls. That is KFC. And that's an ambulance. So I will tell you a small story about my connection with Linking Road. My oldest connection on Linking Road is a shoe shop. It is called King's. And from 1983 onwards, I was very close to Farooq Bhai. He was one of the co-owners of King's Shoes, which belonged to Rahul Bhai. And now I'm just taking you there. It's next to Sagar. But Farooq Bhai was a very, very dear friend. And then recently, a few months back, he had some problem. He was admitted to Saifi and he passed away. I lost a lot of friends. One of them, this is the shop that was King's Shoes. This is the shop. It was very tragic. And this is the other shop where I used to buy silks. This is Sagar at the back. Sorry. That is Sagar. You can see it. That is Suresh Jain and his brother Bharat Jain. Very close friends of mine. Then Regal Shoes, Kabir Bastani. This is Regal Shoes. This is Regal Shoes. So this is Bandra. You can see the Linking Road. I shot it earlier also. No, Amir Khadim. I just passed Bandra Talao. It's absolutely vacant. There are nobody there. But I have no news. All I know that Nabi and Qasim are dead. That's what Mustaqim told me. Mustaqim has left from there. He has gone to Bhiwandi. He had some terminal problem. Raju has disappeared. Raju was staying at Mahim. I had given him a second-hand phone, but he never gave me his number. So this is Linking Road. Linking Road has been part of my life as a fashion designer. I sourced my shoes from Shoebiz, from King Shoes, and then later on it was Ahmad Shoes from Faith, Kem's Corner. I've been designing shoes also, but mostly I'm doing more of ethnic clothes, feudal clothes, period clothes. So I've now come to the telephone exchange, and I think I'm very tired now. So I will talk to you guys for some more time, little bit, and then just keep on moving. I wish you all the best. Thank you all for connecting with me here on Instagram Live. This is my third video. That is the telephone exchange building. Times are very bad. I've helped a few people in my area, gave them some money for food and ration. But overall, the Ramzan is very tragic for the poor. The rich have no problem. And this time, those that were giving food and everything have not come out. the way they had come out last year. And this is the Raheja reality. Thank you, Mandar. All the best. All the best to you all. अरे वो कैट्स है यार, कैट्स के ऊपर पॉलिश होती है क्या? कैट्स पे पॉलिश होती है क्या?
गंदा काम
नहीं चाहिए.